In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the web browser on your ROG Ally X. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, from the main Xbox style interface, what you're going to want to do is actually head over to your library and go ahead and open it up, and up at the very top tab, go ahead and scroll over to the My Apps section right here. This is going to show you all of your installed apps, including things like Steam, Epic Games, and more. Of course, you'll also see Microsoft Edge on here as well. This is the built-in web browser and it comes pre-installed. Select it, it's going to go ahead and open it up. And here you can navigate the browser. Now you can control the browser in a few different ways. You can use a connected mouse, you could use joysticks, the touchscreen, really whatever you would like. I actually have a keyboard and mouse pad set up, except it's currently turned off right now. That's my bad. But if you don't have a keyboard connected, no problem. All you have to do is just select the address bar and then hit the command center button and then scroll down, select keyboard, and this will open the on-screen keyboard where you can type and search for any item. As soon as you're done typing, hit the options button to confirm and search. And you can do really anything on here. You can browse websites, watch YouTube, look up guides, download files, or, just use it as a normal Windows PC browser. That is how you can use a web browser here on the ROG Xbox Ally X. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.